Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Data Science with our Programming. Lecture 5, Statistics for Data Science I-1. Introduction to Statistics in Data Science. A. Overview of statistics and its importance in data science. B. Basic terminology, population, sample, variable, parameter, statistic. 2. Descriptive statistics. A. Measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. B. Measures of dispersion, range, variance, standard deviation. C. Measures of distribution shape, skewness, kurtosis. 3. Probability distributions. A. Discrete distributions, Bernoulli, binomial, Poisson. B. Continuous distributions, uniform, normal, Gaussian, exponential. 4. Statistical inference. A. Hypothesis testing, formulation of null and alternative hypotheses. B. Types of errors, type 1 and type 2 errors. C. Confidence intervals. 5. Parametric and non-parametric tests. A. Parametric tests, t-tests, one sample, independent samples, paired samples, ANOVA. B. Non-parametric tests, Mann-Whitney U-test, Kruskal-Wallis test, Wilcoxon-signed rank test. 6. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. A. Visualization techniques, histograms, box plots, scatter plots. B. Correlation analysis, Pearson correlation coefficient, Spearman rank correlation coefficient. 7. Introduction to regression analysis. A. Simple linear regression. B. Multiple linear regression. C. Model evaluation metrics, R-squared, adjusted R-squared, RMSE, MAE. 8. Practical application with R. A. Using R packages, e.g., ggplot2, dplyr, for data manipulation and visualization. B. Performing statistical analysis using R functions and packages, e.g., stats, car, lm.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.